everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with a really quick video response. This video response is for Rebecca Creates here on YouTube. She is having a subby appreciation giveaway October 1st through October 15th, with the winner being announced October 16th. So check out her channel. I'll have a link below. This is a very simple challenge. She just wants to create a little traffic on her channel by you posting a video response, and that's really all you have to do. But I would like to also share a card that I made after looking at one of her prizes she has for a giveaway. So using my new Metalcraft die by Whimsy Stamps, it says Spooky, and then I also used this Cat Scrappiness Distress Edge die, and then I used from Cricut this glitter stock in pastel colors, and this is what I came up with. This spooky Halloween card, and it's in the Pasteloween colors, I think everyone is saying, and it says Spooky, and then on the inside I have Trick or Treat, I won't make you smell my feet. I also used the Simon Says, it's actually CZ Design sentiment strips, reverse Halloween on the inside, and some cardstock from my supplies. So once again, check out Rebecca Creates here on YouTube. Her subby appreciation giveaway runs from October 1st through October 15th, with the winner being announced October 16th. Thank you guys.